How to link your social media on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add your social media icons and how you can link them. So the process or the objective from this process is going to be sharing with your audience or sharing with the traffic or the clients that you have into your website of Wix, of course, the social media where we can or where they can follow you and get the news from you. So, for example, if you are going to be a blogger or a vlogger, you're going to need to let them know your social media. If you're going to run a restaurant, for example, if you're going to be a freelancer, you're going to let them follow you, for example, or you are going to be a public face or a public personality. Now, we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see the site's dashboard. What we're going to do is to select the website that we want to add these specific links or the favicons to, and then we are going to click on select and edit site. Once you have did that, you're going basically to see all the elements that are going to be into your dashboard. So from here, we are going to click on edit site. So when you click on edit site, you're going to see the website itself. Now, what are we going to do is to wait for the website. And here we have our account ready. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the places that we want to add the specific, let's say here, favicons of the social media. And we are going to find them basically on the elements. You can go ahead and have them added to the, as you can see here, the header. You can go ahead and quick edit the edit header right there. And maybe instead of having here something, you're going to add the social media by heading over the menu or the elements. Now we are going to see the specific social media. So we are going to head over social, and we have tons and tons, as you can see, of social bars. So we have the social share or the share button. We have the Facebook, the Twitter, the specific Twitter, as you can see, the Pinterest, VK, Line, and etc. For a social bar, it is going to be more interesting in our case. So we are going to have, for example, the social bar added right there. And this social bar is going to be here. So we can go ahead and set up the social links, clicking on here, and you're going to see each one of the images in case you want to modify them. So how you can set up the things, let's say here, very simple. You're going to select each one of the image, and then you're going to put the link of it in here. So the title of each one of the image is going to be included, also a link. Now, for example, let's start with Instagram. We're going to click on Instagram. Here, as you can see, we are going to put the link or click on the chain in here, put a web address, and as you can see, we're going to see the standard label of Wix or the Instagram of Wix. We're going to head over here, and for example, let's say that we are going to have here the social media icon of ours, for example, like that, or I don't know, here's something resembling here. So what are we going to do is to head over here, paste your social, and do that right there. Also, it is going to be the same on, for example, Twitter or X. You're going to head over here. Then you're going to select your profile. After that, you're going to see the URL that you have in here in possession. Click on here. And I think this is the Twitter or the X. For example, we are going to name it X. I think that they have ignored the update. So you can go ahead and replace the icon. As you can see, this is going to be an icon. So maybe we are going to see that we have the other icon in here. So I think that this is the new icon of X. So we are going to choose it just like this. And for LinkedIn, also you can do the same thing. And you can also organize the placement of the images or the icons just as much as you want. So this is the first thing, as you can see here. Now, you can go ahead and get this, as you can see, social bar. I think that it is going to be looking a little bit ugly. So we can modify the layout, for example, for the icon size, for example, like that. The spacing, you can go ahead and decrease it. The orientation, basically you're going to preferably let it, as you can see here, not vertical but horizontal. So we're going to have it like that. And then you're going to duplicate it or put it wherever you want. So I'm not going to suggest for you to duplicate that, but it is going to be your case in case you want to have it like this. I'm going to delete it because I do not see it fit in here because of the colors. So you can go ahead and head over here and get this specific dark one. So I think that this is better. So you can go ahead and do the same thing, set social links. You can go ahead and replace this Twitter or the X icon for that, and you're going to be like that. So you're going to click on done, and I think that this is better. So we are going to set up the links of yours, of course, from the beginning. It is not going to follow up the last ones that you have did. So you can go ahead and add them here at the header. And also you can go ahead and add them to the footer. So you are going to add the ones that will suit you in here. For example, in this one, I'm not going to put Instagram, LinkedIn, and Behance, but instead we're going to add this. This is more practical, a lot practical, as you can see. So we are going to add here maybe some text like this. I'm going to have here header 2. We're going to put it like that, double tap, follow, for example, follow me on socials, social, like that, I think, social, boom. And we are going to put it just like that. So we can go ahead and double tap or edit the text. We're going to make it, as you can see here, bold, and go ahead and put it a little bit like that. So this is going to be more interesting, in fact. So I'm going to make the text label a little bit smaller and put it like that. And tell me, this is something that you want to see, of course. And here we have it. Also, you can go ahead and add it or for whatever page that you want. Make sure that you're going to add it to all the pages that you have. For example, for the footer, I think that the footer is not going to change, and also the header. So in case you're going to have a section specific for the social following, you're going to add them right there. So you can go ahead and add, for example, a section, click on design section, and then you're going to see the, as you can see, subscribe. We're going to see here, I think that we're going to have specific, let's say, social ones. So here we have promotions, contacts. The contacts also is going to be having this specific, as you can see, section and also social media openings. So we are going to try and add this, and you're going to see that it has a social bar integrated. So you're going to put here whatever you want from these specific, as you can see here, icons. So that means that you don't only have the choice to add the social bar, which is going to be a rich social bar for the icons of the social media like these. You can also go ahead and select the colors or modify the each one of the, as you can see here, the social bar colors. I think it is going to be on the layout. So let's try here. So you're going to set up here the layout. I think that we cannot unfortunately have it right there, but you can also see the bright side that you're going to add some animation into that specific case. So you can add some animation adding going up here, something like this, and here we have it just like that. And then you're going to put it as much as you want. So for the footer, it is going to be present, and for the header also it is going to be present, and for the text or the inserting for the links, it is going to be very simple. You're going to click on set social links, put your socials in here, have them from your profiles just added manually just like that, and you're going to put the specific link into that place, and then you're going to be setting up the referral links into these specific icons, so they are going to be not dead but alive icons. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.